Hello everybody. So I passed a 5k challenge again in 6 days. I just want to show you quickly how I did. This was the first step. I had to make $400, 3 profitable days, win rate 64%, and here you can see clearly September 3rd I started, and the last trade was September 5th. So I didn't went to drawdown. That was a nice step. So the second step was I had to make $250, 3 profitable trades, win rate 73%. I went into drawdown a little bit, under $5,000, but came out quickly, so yeah. And here you can see it took me like September 7th until September 10th, right? And you can look at the trades, the volume, So now I have my $5,000 funded account. I already made some profits. I made $143 profits, but I also got the $39 back from the fibers that I paid for the challenge. So that's cool. I have a profit target of $500, but I don't have to make it. It's just to scale up your account. And what I mean by that is, let's say if I make $500, which is the target now, then my account size grows to $7,500, right? And you can see it here, you can trade your account up to $500,000. So, and from this profit, it says 182, but 80% goes to 80% is what I actually get, and 20% goes to the fibers. So I will get $145. And to withdraw money, I think I have to move my camera a little bit. Yeah, let's move it down here. To withdraw money, first you have to make $150. To withdraw money, you have to make $150. And when you get your funded account, you have to wait also 14 days until you can withdraw money. From the first trade on, 14 days. Yeah. And that's it actually. Let me move my camera back. There we go. And as you can see, this is horrible. I had a horrible start. My win rate is 33%, which is horrible, right? But even then, I mean, I had some bad trades. The first one was bad, but then I made it back. And here you can see some bad trades, but I'm still in profit, right? And that's the most important part, still in profit. So, and there are people who are saying, yeah, but it's just a $5,000 account, and they rather make a challenge for the $100,000 account. So with the $100,000 account, your targets, your profit targets are way higher, right? And it takes a lot of time to achieve that. So with the $5,000 account, you can get your funded account very fast. And you also have to think, if you count the challenge, it took me 6 days for step 1 and step 2. And in total, I made $750. Yeah, $750 in 6 days. So now I have my funded account. I can do the same again. I can make $700 in a month. I can make $1,000 in a month with the $5,000 account. It's doable. It's nothing it's actually not that hard to achieve. So I like those $5,000 accounts, and you can start earning real money very fast. So thanks for watching. Until the next time.